channel. I'm Alexa. Today we're making Ambrosia salad. I measured out all my ingredients and I recommend that you do so too. You can find a full list of ingredients and measurements in the link in the description. Remember to watch the video first so you can be prepared.
To start, I'm going to put my whipped topping and yogurt into a large mixing bowl. Try to make sure it's big enough that you can easily mix it without anything going over the sides. It is better for the bowl to be too big than too small. I'm going to mix this by folding it gently to maintain its airy texture and volume until they're fully combined. It might be a little hard to tell because they're the same color, so try to just make sure the whole mixture has the same consistency. Then I'm going to add in my mandarin oranges, pineapple, maraschino cherries, coconut, and marshmallows. I'm going to mix this until the ingredients are evenly spread throughout the mixture. Make sure you don't mix it too much and do it carefully so you don't burst the fruit. Afterwards, I transferred it to a serving bowl and put a maraschino cherry on top. And my ambrosia salad is done and looking delicious. Please let me know what you thought of the video in the comments and how the recipe went for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you can see when new videos are added. Thank you and enjoy!